to have a conversation with Njideka Harry. She is the CEO for Youth for Technology Foundation, which is an NGO that uses the power of technology to transform the lives of women and youth in developing countries. She's been recognized in 2013 as the Social Entrepreneur of the Year by the Schwab Foundation and also the World Economic Forum. Today we're going to have several interesting conversations with her. First of all, we're going to find out about her incredible journey and how she quit a very lucrative and promising new job in Microsoft to set up her own NGO. We're going to find out about some of the challenges that she faced in doing so. And we're also going to go back and hear from her on some of the exciting technologies that can transform the African continent. So thank you once again and welcome to the conversation. So what sort of technologies excite you? So in the landscape, everyone's talking about STEM, technology in Africa. What are the technologies that really get your attention, that you think are the future?
I mean, fundamentally, there's no better place to start than education.
Yeah.
And today there are 10.5 million Nigerians that are out of school, and 78% of those are girls. And so there needs to be really a focus on how can we make education more affordable and more accessible to young people, especially in the rural areas. Yeah. And one way to do that is through technology. We understand that the prices of the hardware and the data are coming down incrementally. And so these types of technologies are not necessarily not affordable right now, but the question is how can we provide the information so that young people living in these communities know that they can access this information. In the education context, there is massive open and online content, MOOC, where irrespective of where you are in the world, you can really access any sort of information that will help you move forward in economic development and in your community. And so the ability to access this content online, whether or not it's a structured classroom setting, I think is just hugely exciting for me. At Youth for Technology Foundation, we have a community hub where we actually have been implementing learning using massive and open online content, specifically in some of the advanced technologies. So when you look at software development, when you look at mobile technology development, and then when you look at really forward-thinking technologies like additive manufacturing, the power of 3D printing and how it can really transform the continent, we've been doing some work in that area and have found a lot of excitement in order to educate the young people as well as to create digital jobs.
Oh, thank you.